In a growing B2B business, each employee performs different tasks. For example, a sales executive handles customers' orders, an inventory manager manages stocks, and an admin oversees the entire company. Instead of giving full permissions to the employees, businesses can create specific roles with tailored permissions. Let's see how all this works. Here we are on the Bagisto Open Source B2B e-commerce storefront. In the previous video, we already saw how a company can register, how admin approve them. Now we will see how that registered company can build their own team by using roles and assigning to the users. So now log in with the company account, sign in. Now go to this profile icon and move to the roles. So just click on the add role to create a role. So I'm creating a role for sailor description so that you can identify the purpose of the role. Now move to the permissions. I want this sailor can only edit company profile, view purchase orders, and create, edit, and delete users. Save role. And now back to the users. You can create a user by two ways, by inviting user or through add users. So first I will show with the add user, then we will proceed with the invite user. Okay, so you can additionally add image and videos, first name, email, phone number. You can attach a phone number also. Assign a role that we created previously, that is sailor. Check the status, it was inactive. Admin can also suspend the user. Now just save user and you will receive an email like this. This is a system related password, or you can also forget the password for security purpose. So just log in with these credentials so that we can see the user got that permissions or not. So just go here, log out the profile and sign in with these credentials. Okay, so I just copying this and the password, that is. Now just click on the sign in. Now you can see that user is login. Now profile icon, and you can see these limited access this user have, that is company profile, purchase order, and users. So by applying this, the users have the limited access. Now we will proceed with the invite user section. So just sign in with the company personal profile and go to the profile icon. Now users. So just click on this invite user, and now you have to enter the customer email. I already create that customer, so I'm just writing the email and I'm selecting the same code, that is sailor, and just click on the send invitation. You can see this proper invitation sent to that person. So log in so that the customer can accept the invitation. Here go to the sign in section and log in with that credentials. You can create your customer by here, create an account. I already created, so I'm just logging and the password. Sign in. Okay, so go here, you will receive an email like this. Just click on this view invitation section and the page redirects here, that is accept invitation. You have joined the company successfully. So if we move here, you can see these permissions this customer have, that we have set in the sailor's permission set, that is company profile, purchase order, and users. So these are the two ways you can create roles and assign them to the users by click on the add users, and by click on the invite users.
Well, that's the complete role-based user management workflow in Bagisto Open Source B2B e-commerce platform.